Some reviews are there for this ongoing um, project wowtodo. So when we go to the people's tab, then we see all the people with whom we have shared a task, or if they have shared a task with us. So when we tap on the person, then I see two categories: their task and your task. Okay, so I was just thinking that very less occurrences will be there when the people whom I am gonna share task is also going to share some task back to me. So for example, if I share the task with my student, then it's very less likely that the student is also going to share task with me. Yeah, in case of somebody with whom we sort of work at the same level, colleagues, or maybe the family groups, so there may be such conditions. So I was just thinking that since a lot of scenarios will have know your tasks but only their tasks, then why to keep that option? So if there is no your task, then this should be not visible. In fact, your task and their tasks should not be shown. If there are only their tasks, that means the task shared by somebody else is showing up here, then it should not show their task or your task. That should be hidden. That categorization should not happen. But if the case is that we have exchange task, that means I have shared with somebody and the same person has shared with me as well, so in that case it will be showing up. Another thing in this page people's tab is uh, we don't want the all filter. Just in progress and completed is good enough, and it should by default show the in progress. So all should not be there, and if at all is there, then it should be the third option, and it should not be by default selected. In fact, remove the all. I don't see a point. Let's keep it clear. So either there are tasks which are in progress, or if not, then it is completed. And also along with the in progress, there should be a count. You know, just the same way the notification has this count showing up. So in progress, the count should be showing up, not like a bubble, but just after in progress, the number should be shown in a nice way. Same goes for completed. So it should show how many tasks are completed and in progress. That's one thing. Another thing is I should be able to drag to refresh to fetch the current updates, and that should happen on people's tab as well. I should be able to drag and refresh the whole page to fetch the recent updates, because at times I have noticed that it takes a while. So manual refresh should be there. Same goes for the share tab, and same goes for this one, but this already has that I think inbuilt. Every time I switch to that tab, uh, it quickly just does that. But again, then that manual option is going to be very helpful. Some few other changes: UI enhancement level. This menu is there, that's good, but I should be able to select multiple items by tapping on it. So long press should select that, and I should be able to select multiple items, and the delete option should be available somewhere in the interface, uh, maybe at the bottom, but that's a future case. For now, let's just forget about it. uh, yeah, so that's something, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. So these changes are required. Yeah, notification, yeah, that's fine. I can mark all read, that's okay. Yeah, here also one more thing: all should not be visible. Just in progress and complete do two categorizations are fine. All should not be there. In fact, makes no sense. And in fact, the count of in progress should be there, and the complete of in progress should also be there. Yeah. And the way here in progress and complete is written behind, like in the background there's a box, so in the same way it should be shown here as well, their task and your tasks, if at all is required. Rest everything for now is fine. Yeah, one more option while branching out, there is an issue. Let me show you quickly. So if I go inside and try to, let's say, branch the pricing page, so here when I start typing on this, this box should, the somehow the UI should, um, basically this should appear, the additional context uh, should appear as a separate, modal window, uh, like pretty much similar to, let me show you what I mean here. So when I start typing things here, I can't tap on the button, to accept it. So I have to click outside first and then click on generate branch, which should not be the case. What I indeed want, this additional content should come like this. Uh, let's say I want to share this. Now notice this pop-up coming from the bottom, and as I type, this pop-up is being pushed by the keyboard, which makes it easier for me to operate within this. Okay, so that's what I want for the um, branch option as well. So if I click here and say branch, this additional context should pop out below, and then when I click on this, the keyboard should push that up. um, yeah, that's what I need for this one. I think this is fine. Okay, yeah, this is fine.